Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm shopping at Burlington and I'm going to see what's new in the juniors section. I love this Choose Happy shirt. I love how simple it is with the black and white. Super cute. And they have this black blouse and a white shirt. Another white shirt. $8 shirt. And this one has a smiley face on it. A pretty white blouse for $9. And I know at Burlington they have a lot of good deals. It seems like the shirts are between $6 and $10. And the name brands I usually see here are Tommy Hilfiger and Guess. Those are the two main name brands I usually see. This would be cute for the 4th of July. Like a little blue sleeveless top for when you go to the fireworks. I love this Guess shirt with the army green and black. And this SpongeBob shirt for just $8. I like this one, Van Gogh. So now I'm headed over to the shoes, and I see this cute butterfly top for just $7. But I'm looking for some neon Fila slides that I saw at Ross. I'm going to see if they have them at Burlington, because Ross didn't have my size. I see these that are super cute, and they're like pink, checkered, and rainbow tie-dye. And I like these flip-flops. And these guest slides are super pretty. But I don't see the neon pink Filas. I see these light pink BBs. But I think I'm going to go back to Ross, and maybe they have my size now. So subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.